Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Twilio to Base44. So first, log into twilio.com using your user credentials, then click on your profile icon in the top right, then click on the admin icon in the top right, then choose account management and under general settings, you will see your account SID. Simply note that. Now click on API key and token under keys and credentials, then click on create API key. After you do this, you'd be successfully able to create an API key for your Twilio. And you can copy that API key. So enter your friendly name, then click on create. Then you will see that secret key just right here. Also the SID. Just copy these, note them somewhere and navigate back to Base44. Then choose integration and search for Twilio. Choose Twilio and click on use this integration. But before doing that, this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on builder tier and above. So simply upgrade to a pro plan that is builder tier or above and you'll be able to click on this button. After clicking on this button, you'll be taken to another page where you'll have to basically copy the SID, enter it in the SID field given on this page, then copy the secret key, then enter that secret key in the area given on the next prompt. After you do this, you would have successfully connected your Twilio to your Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.